Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stacy.C, and guys, we are on our way to a river. So we are going to Reggae Falls in St. Thomas, and this is us in the ride giving trouble and whatnot. Just want to say thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. Guys, as you just hear, we're already laughing and giving trouble already. Already know it's going to be a fun day at the river. Don't forget, guys, comment, share, like, and subscribe of the channel. Thank you for all that you've been doing so far. Continue watching and enjoy this vlog. What's that? What's looking at camera? I'll go for the seatbelt around it. So guys, because of the music playing in the car, in the van rather, and also on the riverside, some part of the video I have to actually cut it out and put a little sound in the background to play. So we are finally at the river. Yay! 2 hours and 18 minutes. It takes to reach 2 hours and 18 minutes. Actually, I'm very hungry. Where the fee? So we are walking up to the falls now, and it's a long way to reach up to the falls. Not like good distance, but yeah, it's beautiful. So the sun just here, that's how nice the place is. Like every angle you go, there's somebody playing music or cooking a pot. But yeah, it was a good little vibe. Very beautiful place. Water is nice. Drop by my catch you. You can't walk here, so. Walk back around there, so.
Look at me at them red. See for you put on camera. No man, they're not holy. You know, it's pretty dark. Sana, it's not video me. Are you not going to water? Come channel, looking at camera. We are not here. No man. Something touch for me. Yeah.
It was such a beautiful day at the river. The water is so nice. And me, I forgot what. So, if you have reached this far, thank you so much for watching. The video not done yet still. So, we are on our way home. And oh my god, guys, look at the beautiful sunset. The ceremony stop and take 2 pictures. But the driver get himself trouble and be things. We do want buy KFC, but we still never drive around town. We drive back through the bush. And this is us on our way going home. And of course, night I go catch up on the road. So we're going to stop and pick some mangoes and whatnot. So this is the sign that's leading to the river. I didn't catch it until I was leaving because I didn't know where I was going. So this is us in the bush picking mangoes and whatnot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Finish enjoying the video.
Awa.